Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the graduation filter on Instagram. So tap on any filter you want, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the filter name and the creator name. Tap there. Now tap on browse effects. Now that's it, you got this. Now tap on view effects. So now these are the graduation 2020 filters. To try the filter, just tap on the filter. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.